Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see three types of recipes. One is onion rasam, spinach dal, and peas masala. It will take approximately just 30 minutes only. Let's start the recipes. Now I'm cutting two onion in medium size. In a whistle cooker, I have kept a glass of soaked peas for the peas masala, and I am chopping two tomatoes also. For onion rasam, I need a water which is from the rice soaked after the first wash. For onion rasam, I am taking a small lemon-sized tamarind bulb. Heat the pan. Wash and take the 1 cup of spinach. I am chopping some onion for spinach dal. Add some oil into the pan. Heating on another pan for spinach dal. And add some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Half teaspoon of fenugreek. And 1 teaspoon urad dal for onion rasam, and also add 1 red chilli and also add 1 teaspoon mustard seed, one teaspoon cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon urad dal. And add some chopped onion for onion rasam. Stir them until it changes the color. Add some curry leaves. First, add some curry leaves for spinach dal also. Add 1 red chilli for onion rasam and also spinach dal. Add some chopped onion for spinach dal. Add some tomatoes for spinach dal. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder for onion rasam and also spinach dal. Add the tamarind and rice soaked water into the pan for onion rasam. Add some water if you want. Add the chopped spinach into the pan for spinach dal. Add enough salt for onion rasam. Stir them until in the oil until it changes into the smashed look. Add the boiled doodh dal into the spinach pan. No need to add water. Smash them well. Add some salt. Chopping 1 onion for piece masala. And also chopping 1 tomato. Grind them in the mixer grinder up to the level of granular level. Chop some ginger and garlic. Add some gram dal and fennel seed and also green chili. Grind them all like a paste. Onion rasam is ready. Keep the spinach pan until the water evaporates. Smash gently. In a pan, after heating, add some oil and add the paste grinder. Add some water if you want. Stir well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 2 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and also 1 teaspoon chili powder, add salt, add some water, after 5 minutes, add the boiled peas into the pan. Stir well. Now peas masala is ready. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thank you.